welcome back to my channel SuperBeautyDezires, and this is PRERNA. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that every time whenever I will upload the new video, it should give you the notification. So let's get started with today's video. So friends, in today's video I just want to share the benefits and uses of charcoal face mask with you all, and also I will be reviewing Wow Skin Science activated charcoal face mask with you all. So let's get started with this video. So friends, this charcoal face mask is very much important for our skin, as you all know that whenever we go outside, some pollution particles stick to our face, and also dirt and dust stick to our face. So in order to remove those dust particles and pollution particles, we want one effective product through which it can be removed. So today I just want to talk about this Wow Skin Science activated charcoal face pack. So let's talk about this charcoal face pack now. So it comes in this cardboard type of packaging, which is very much handy and which is very much beautiful, as the name suggests, charcoal, so it is in black color. So then it comes with this tub also, which is a huge tub of 200 ml, and it retails in price rupees 699, which is a good price, because for this quantity 699 is a good price for this product. Then let's talk about its ingredients list. So first of all, in this charcoal, activated charcoal is included. Then second one, licorice extracts are included. Then olive oil, almond oil and shea butter are also included in this one. So the ingredient list is very much good. I really like all the ingredients in this, because all the ingredients are very much useful, very much beneficial for our skin to reduce that blackness, dullness from our skin. And licorice extract is very much useful to reduce the darkness of our skin and to reduce those dead cells from our skin. Friends, next I just want to talk about its suitability. It suits all skin type people. If you have dry skin, combination skin, oily skin, or even normal skin, you can use this product. And even if you have sensitive skin, acne prone skin, you may also use this product in those type of skin too, because as you all know that charcoal face mask that comes in the market with those peel off things does not suit in those type of skin, sensitive skin. But this charcoal face mask is not that peel off kind of thing. This is just a face mask. You just have to apply it on your face, leave it for 15 minutes, and then wash your face with warm water, and then you are sorted. So friends, in this tub it is written that you should do a patch test before applying this face mask onto your face, because it includes that licorice extract. It might be possible that it does not suit you, so you must do some patch test over here or over your hand. So before you use that, do that too. And the best thing about this face mask is this, that men can also use this face mask, which is the best thing. And pamper yourself, give it to your partner, and use yourself too. On Sundays you both can pamper your skin at home only. So this is a very good thing from my side, and I will recommend it to you people. And it is also no parabens and no minerals oils. It means that it is very much chemicals free, because there are no chemicals and no parabens, no minerals oils. So that's a very good thing about it. So let's see one clip in which I have used this face mask, and also my husband used this face mask. seriously removes all the dirt, all the dust, and all the pollution particles from your skin, and leaves your skin very much smooth, clean and clear, and very glowy. So it is a very good product, and I will recommend it to you people. Buy this product for you, and I am giving all the links in the description box below. You may purchase this through Amazon.com or buywow.com too. So this is my quick review over this Wow Skin Science Activated Charcoal Face Mask. If you like this video, please hit like to this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends, with your family, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful, stay stylish. Bye bye, see you, take care, bye.